because I love her because she's very authentic and she's not afraid to use her voice and platform to address different issues that's happening here in our country. I also like that we have the same characteristics because I am also a very jolly person. Thank you.
Okay.
To keep it,
Are you going to sing or dance or
I'm going to dance.
to dance? I see. How about you, baby?
As for me, I will admit that I did have a hard time preparing because I have a lot of responsibilities, not just in the pageantry world, but also in my academics and house as well. So I prepared. After school, I practiced my pasarela and also Q&A at home with my handler, Clyde Trexon. So I also sometimes watch different pageants because I want to practice my question and answer skills. Kumbaga po, nanonood po ako ng mga pageant online and then I pause po yung video and I try my best to answer muna bago yung video na yun.
I see. So DIY training.
Yes po.
Yeah, so go ahead.
Sometimes we do training with Coach Kai.
I see. Is this your first time to travel abroad?
Actually, yes, it's my first time
Wow.
traveling.
How about you, kids?
National costume is inspired by the seas and oceans. Kumbaga po kasi, di ba, the Philippines is known as the Pearl of the Orient Seas.
Important to every family. Bakit importante ang tourism sa isang bansa katulad ng Pilipinas?
Well, for me, tourism is important not just because it provides relaxation for the tourists and it boosts our economy, but also because it acts as a bridge to our culture and kumbaga po, there is a meaningful exchange between people and places. People get to discover new destinations that gives them a new experience po.
Okay, thank you.
And the Philippines international stage.
Well, of course, it's mixed emotions. First, of course, I am nervous because I'm not just sharing my experience as a Filipino, but of course, yung experience din ng mga ibang Pilipino. And, ano yung may repeating na question mo?
Ano daw pakiramdam mo na ikaw ang sasali ka? Kakatawag tourism sa Philippines sa World Junior Tourism.
Additionally, of course, I feel very happy and proud kasi of course, I'm given the opportunity to represent the colorful and vibrant culture of the Philippines.
Bibi Boy, did you get the title and represent the Philippines?
So I actually won the Miss Philippines Rizal 2024. That is season 3.
I see. So part ng title mo is to compete abroad. Ito nga yung World
Yes.
Junior Tourism as a tourist.
Okay, ang pwede mong pagmalaki sa mga co-candidate mo pagdating mo sa Vietnam. Meron ba?
Sa Rizal.
Tourist spot dito sa Rizal meron.
MJ
Well, there's
Cafe.
a lot of places here in Rizal na deserves a lot of attention or recognition. But for me, I would say that would be Magandang Baras. Why? Well, that place may be simple, but it holds a very significant memory for me kasi there's so many people in there. There's very many families, friends that's gathering there. For me po, deserve po niya ma-recognize dahil it offers a lot of activities. You can ride a boat there and ayun po, marami pong activities there and
Go ahead.
Relax.
Okay.